Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today we're bringing you this beautiful, genuine 1971 XY GT in this beautiful colour of jewel green with a contrasting saddle trim. This is a car that was restored by Grand Tourer Restorations from Melbourne in about 2004 and has pretty much been very lightly used since then. It's a matching number car. It's sitting on Bathurst Globes as opposed to the 5 slots, but looks tough, doesn't it? Great looking car with that gold stripe and the Bathurst Globes on it. Look at that beautiful shaker sitting proud. We'll have a look underneath the bonnet. Just stand by. And then I'll let you turn this on. There we go, look at that. A big 4B 351, and there's your VIN number, JG33LJ. So there you go, T. It's a 9th month 71 GT, jewel green saddle trim. Very few of these. There's your VIN number, JG33 as well, and yeah, beautiful car, beautifully done. We'll crank it over. Tough, doesn't it? They look good on the Bathurst Globes, so it's got from Lynas Motors in Perth. Got a letter of verification from Ford, and I've got loads and loads of photos on the website, so if you need anything else, let me know. Mike Selby, look how beautiful that looks. It looks so tough on those globes, doesn't it? Beautiful car. The colour combo is really outstanding and something a bit different, isn't it? Hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, if you want to have more information about this special car, give Mike Selby a ring, and photos, as I said, are on the website. Australian Muscle Car Sales, and thank you very much for watching. Let's have a look inside the car. Beautiful, beautiful trim. There we go, 11,000 miles. All the gauges work. We've got your Superfringe radio. A beautiful steering wheel. Nation. Lynas Motors, look at that colour, beautiful colour. That was the last Rego sticker. It's now, it is fully registered now, and then he's had a repro sticker made from 1972. But it is full New South Wales registered car. Very good, thank you for watching.